If you are using RSI like this, you are probably losing trade without even realizing it. In fact, 90% of traders use RSI in the wrong way. But in this video, I will show you the exact RSI settings and strategy that professional traders use to find a near perfect entry and exit. And if you stay until the end, I will also show you one powerful RSI trick that most YouTube traders never talk about, but they use it in their personal trade. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, this channel is dedicated to helping traders become smarter and more consistent in the market. Today, we are talking about one of the most powerful indicators in technical analysis, which is the relative strength index, the RSI. The RSI is designed to help traders identify overbought and oversold market conditions. But the problem is that most traders use it in the most basic way possible, which lead to false signals and losing trade. So in this video, I'm going to show you the correct RSI settings, the best entry strategy using RSI, the perfect exit strategy, and a hidden RSI trick that can dramatically improve your trading accuracy. Now, first of all, let's understand what RSI is. Now, RSI is actually an indicator that measures market momentum on a scale from 0 to 100. There are two key levels which RSI provides for traders, and we should all look at it. Now, let's go to RSI. This is RSI. Now, look at it. These are the levels, and this is how RSI look like. The 70 level is the overbought. The 30 level is the oversold. When RSI goes above 70, the market may be on overbought. When RSI drop below 30, the market may be on oversold. Please take note of my words. But here is the problem. Most traders think they should sell at 70 and buy at 30. And this is exactly where most traders lose money. Now, let me show you the correct RSI settings. The default setting is 14 and it works well in most markets. But if you want better signal, many professional traders adjust the level slightly above or below the levels that are given as default. Now let's move on to the settings. This 30 now will become 20, and this 70 becomes 80. Now look at how it looks like. So overbought now is 80 and oversold now is what? Is 20. Now this reduce false signals and help you catch stronger market reversal. Now how can you use this for perfect RSI entry strategy? For you to buy, that's for a buy setup. Here is how to find a high probability buy setup trade. Now you have to wait for the RSI to drop below the 20 or 30. Wait for the RSI to cross back above the signal. Then confirm the market that shows bullish momentum. Now this indicates the market may be reversing upward. Then you buy. For a sell setup, The entry process is in opposite direction. You wait for the RSI to rise above 70 or 80. Wait for the RSI to cross back below that level of 70 or 80. Confirm the market begins showing bearish momentum, and then you enter the market. Now, this suggests that the market may reverse downward. It may reverse downward. Now, you can also decide to use two of them, that is 70 and 80, 30 and 20. You can decide to use the two of them to help you get accuracy in your trading. Meanwhile, for perfect exit, let's talk about it now, because entry alone does not make a profitable trader. Here are two strong exit strategies. Now, the first strategy is that opposite direction of the RSI reaching the peak. Now, you have to exit when RSI approach the opposite extreme level. For example, if you buy when it was down and RSI is approaching 80 and 70, you need to what? Go off from the market. You need to close the market. Or if you are selling from up here and RSI reach down to 20 or to 30, you have to what? Close your trade. That is the first strategy, and this strategy helps most professional traders to reach 2% of their capital. So this particular trading method is 1 to ratio 2. 1 to ratio 2. So you exit in the second ratio. That's the second level. That is one of the advantage. Now, let me show you the hidden RSI trick that most YouTube traders don't want you to know. Now, here is the hidden RSI trick most traders don't want you to know. Now, instead of using RSI alone, combine it with trend indicators. Now, in an uptrend, only take RSI buy signals, and then in a downtrend, only take the RSI sell signal. This is a simple rule that can dramatically increase your winning rate. Look at how I usually use. Now, I usually use some of these. You see, I have this trend indicator, the having the 200 moving average, the 50 moving average, and the 30 moving average. Now these are together. These are my trend indicators. Now, if what I'm looking for now is a buy signal and not a sell signal. Why? Because it is buying, and then the RSI is actually down. So I'm looking for a buy signal and not a sell signal. Now, with this, now I'm going to reduce the number of losses and the number of fake buy that I'll be having from the RSI. That is one of the secrets that YouTube traders will not show you. They will not show you at all. So you need to understand and wait for RSI to reach its extreme level before you trade. Then you wait for confirmation. When the RSI cross back, then you enter your trade. Don't forget, your take profit should be at the point whereby the opposite direction of your RSI is going, and then use a proper risk to reward management. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, because it really helps the YouTube algorithm to push this video to other traders so that they can be able to learn also. Also, subscribe to this channel if you want more trading strategy like this. And in the comment section, tell me, do you currently use RSI in your trading? I would love to hear from your experience. Thank you for watching this video. I remain Mr. Joshua that help traders to trade the smart way. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more information.